Today we're on a road trip to Grimsby. We ain't got hundreds of thousands to invest in London. We're here in Grimsby and this is a property we've just purchased. This is my good friend Rishi. This is a commercial we've purchased here in Grimsby. So we're now inside the commercial. So we've got all the loft conversions done here.
We iron a lot of it now.
We've got another property here in Grimsby. Want to see this transformation? Property prices are between 80,000 to 120,000. You can rent a property from £750 to £1,000 a month. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's the one and only Shortland, and today we're on a road trip to Grimsby. Yeah, that's right. What we're doing in Grimsby, well, we're gonna have a look at some deals up there and see what's happening, what's going on. A lot of you guys have been saying, I've only got X amount in deposit, we ain't got hundreds of thousands to invest in London. So I'm now going around the whole country to link up with the best agents who have some really, really good stock. So I can't wait for this one. I'll see you back in Grimsby. So we're here in Grimsby and this is a property we've just purchased. This is my good friend Rishi. Rishi, how you doing?
How you doing, Sean? You alright?
Yeah, I can't wait
Welcome
to
to
have a
sunny
little look
Grimsby.
around. Sunny Grimsby, here we go. So let's have a quick little tour of what we bought here. So this is what, a standard 1, 2, 3 bedroom?
Yeah, 3 bedroom, 2 receptions, kitchen. You can have a look around.
Sure, so and this was already here?
No, that was a 2 lounge. We built, made the wall, created a second reception, what can be used as a bedroom.
What was the idea behind having 2 receptions? Is that something that
It's always here. Well, people, families tend to use it as a bedroom in reality.
Okay.
That's the second reception. Access to garden is everything.
So take a look at the kitchen. Not much work's been done here.
No, we pretty much just give a good clean and tied it up. Installed the new extractors, new silicons and everything, but little breakfast bar area here. And again, access to garden. There's nothing much. We haven't really painted throughout, and minor repairs, minor refurbishment painting mainly. New flooring went in, new carpets.
So just a light refurb.
Just the light refurb.
Redecoration,
Yeah.
new carpets, a little partition there.
Just sort of had a budget 10 to 15k for whole house. You will see upstairs we put new bathroom there.
So we've got an in-house team here?
Yeah, a couple of vans and a few people constantly on the books with us. We do quite a bit, so.
So we've got 3 bedrooms up here, guys, follow me. Bedroom number 1, looks like a double here. Just nice and clean, lick of paint, a bit of carpet down here. So we did have to do a little bit of work into this space here. So this was...
That's completely new bathroom in here.
And that's it, guys. It's a quick little light refurb, 10 to 15,000. Property prices are between 80,000 to 120,000, and the yields here are pretty good. You can rent a property from £750 to £1,000 a month, depending on the location. So if you've got a cheeky little 50,000 hanging around, why not? Let's have a conversation and get you into Grimsby, get you into one of these projects where you could potentially remortgage some of that money straight out and be earning between 7 to 10% on your yields. So this is a commercial we've purchased here in Grimsby. This is going to be one of the letting offices that we're going to be managing properties. We've already got planning permission for the upstairs for 2 3-bedroom flats. So let's go in and have a look. So we're now inside the commercial where they've bought an office here where it's got 2 different entrances. And not only that, is they got planning permission for some flats above. Hi Rishi. Got the main man. Jazz in the house too. Making sure we've got enough electric in there.
Obviously that's the main entrance from the main road.
What you guys actually did is you bought this without any planning.
No, just there was ground floor office with the upstairs office, standard house. Just we managed to get planning to put 2 3-bedrooms upstairs. First one, second floor will be, and downstairs we keep as a commercial.
Entrance will be from here?
That will be front entrance, yeah.
Okay, cool.
This is the first plan entrance. Well, in fact, the doors will be here.
Wow. That's how we map out doors. We just draw them on the wall. We click our fingers and they just appear.
Yeah, here will be just a bit of a storage unit where you're entering in now.
There will be a little bit of a storage here.
That's
number 1.
Bedroom 2, probably. That will be number 1.
Nice big window in here.
Yeah, so decent sized 2 bedrooms. There will be lounge and a kitchen area. Open plan lounge kitchen. Terrace here.
I love these commercial buildings with electric shutters and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, so we've got a roof terrace
here.
Nice. Oh, backs onto a school.
Yes.
That's nice. So we've got all the loft conversion done here. So you've had to do this loft conversion yourself?
Yeah. That was only this. What you can see on this.
So you've added another floor?
That was all open plan. That's it. That's the bathroom.
Okay.
Toilet.
So this door's going to be blocked.
Yeah. Bathroom, separate toilet.
Okay.
That's the original bathroom. So this one will become the 3rd bedroom.
Nice.
That will be the 3rd bedroom. So 3-bedroom flat.
So this needed planning permission or PD?
Well, because we went in the loft, so it has to be full planning permission.
Sure.
We can use this for that, and then we're going in the 2nd flat.
So are we in the loft bit now?
We are in the loft bit now.
That's crazy.
So this is bathroom. You already can see already be plastered. Toilet. Separate toilet because it's 3 bedroom. Do have a toilet in the bathroom and extra toilet there. That's 1 more bedroom.
Lovely skimmed, but electronics.
It's supposed to be open, but the planning officers, they changed the rules now and we have to build the wall last minute amendments because that's supposed to be open and only have a sort of like a little balcony start, so we will shoot supposed to. So that will be kitchen and a lounge here.
So they actually wanted this wall to be up.
Yeah.
You wanted to create a nice open
Yeah.
feel.
That will be one of the bedrooms.
Okay.
And that's the other bedroom here. It's a 3-bedroom again. With the little storage area.
So this is what Grimsby looks like with all the shops and bars and everything. Jazz, it's a busy night on a Friday night, right there?
Friday, Saturday night, I come down here.
So we've now stepped back in time. God, Rishi looks very happy now the food's here. We're just about to eat now, so I'll catch you later. So we've got another property here in Grimsby that we bought. It's another 3-bedroom house, so follow me. As you can already see, it's got a driveway here. And I'm going to be seeing my very, very good friend, Richie, in this one again. Rishi!
Hi Sean,
What's
come in,
happening?
come in, have a look what we've done to this
Yeah,
one.
what you done with this one? I thought this was open lounge and...
It used to be a lot. If you remember, there used to be alleyway kitchen.
Yeah.
We blocked doors here, create an extra clock room downstairs.
Okay.
Lounge, make this, open this wall up into the kitchen to become kitchen diner.
So what I've done is there are 2 dining rooms.
So yeah, there was a 2 reception rooms, separate reception and an alleyway kitchen here. So we locked that wall, obviously get our new kitchen, open this all up so they've got open up the dining area or lounge, whatever.
Nice little
Yeah,
kitchen
open
diner.
plan, yeah, kitchen diner. Stall patio doors here. Come and have a look at this room. You got a separate lounge or sitting area.
This is a nice feature, isn't it?
Yeah, well, we try to keep some of the original stuff. You can't call us cowboys, you know. You have to keep it living. Yeah, we have to insulate all the walls, external walls, get the EPC ratings up.
That's very
Yeah,
important.
all the external walls insulated. New bathroom, really standard stuff.
Very nice and clean.
Well, that's what it meant to be. Master bedroom, I suppose. And yeah, there's 2 more bedrooms here.
Amazing. So the important bits, what are the numbers on this one, Rishi?
We picked it up, let's say 150 already stands in something. I don't know the figures on the top of my head, but it's about 150 all in. So
it's about
valued about 200.
200,000. So in numbers, that basically means that 75% of a new loan over 200,000, someone's getting £150,000 back. What are we looking to rent this for on a normal AST?
Normal AST, you're probably looking around 1,100 a month.
Not a bad return.
Yeah.
So guys, if you want to get involved with some of the deals here in Grimsby, we've got loads of these projects where they're under market value because it needs a light refurb. We've got the build teams to help bring that up to scratch. We've got all the finance sorted in the background, part of the team and package, and we've got professional working tenants who will take this at a very good rate. So this house we're about to see right now, it was back to brick.
Yeah, that's what it was. It just was basically shelf. Externally was done up like this, all inside. Everything was
Old electrics.
yeah, everything is like that basically. It's just that was before we done this. We opened up.
Wow.
You're gonna see that's how it was. Yeah, we bought it like that. Somebody bought it that started doing it as a project and just never
left it.
finished. Yeah,
What was the purchase price?
I think we picked it up for 210.
210. And what's that, a 3-bed?
It was originally 3-bedroom cottage. Yeah, you can see basically where we are.
Let's have a look.
That's what it was.
Let's go and see what this one's about. Want to see this transformation. Definitely got to wipe your feet on the way in now.
Yeah. Shall we start from this kitchen?
Looks like you've gone a little bit higher spec on this one.
But this is almost $500,000.
What's the new valuation?
450 was valued.
Wow, so the number nearly doubled.
Yes, there are places. It's not exactly Grimsby. It's outside Grimsby. It's one of the villages. Yeah, we opened this up. If you've seen the pictures I showed you earlier, it was like a 1-story. Downstairs bathroom. We left that cottage feeling. This is called Cottage Little Park. There's no gas in the village, so what we did is install the new latest electrical combi boiler. All your central heating works in hot water just like on a combi boiler.
Wow.
This one is like you can use as office space wherever you just left it. Wherever they can build the wall themselves up. Sitting area with a fire.
How long did this refurb take?
Just over 6 months.
Was that builders here full time or did?
Yeah, we had the team full time. But it was literally, we have to strip it down to the bedrock. The stairs used to be coming in straight, so we have to change the staircase. Open up because it was the cottage, so very low ceilings.
Right.
It used to be only 3-bedroom. There used to be a bathroom here, so we made it in a sort of decent sized single bedroom. Then your
Looks like very low windows.
yeah, that was the original ceilings there.
Wow.
So we have to open up and make it like spacious, look spacious.
Did that need planning permission?
Well, certain things are required, but that's the upstairs shower, toilet shower.
We've got a Hercules door on there.
That's another bedroom.
Very quirky, these rooms.
And that's created 4-bedroom in here. What's the use? Useful space.
Are we keeping this one or are we flipping it?
No, we was gonna flip it, but there's someone who approached us and gave us a
Good offer.
Good offer on the rental, so we couldn't refuse. So now he's going. We just about to.
Is that private rented tenant?
I just keep that to myself.
Oh, okay. Fair play. Absolutely love this place, guys. The finish is outstanding. Looking at these kitchens, the way they've done it. This is just like the cherry on top. This room with the high ceilings. Wow, check that out. This is what we're talking about. Projects in and around the northeast of England is still happening. So make sure you don't forget to like, leave us a comment and share this with somebody who needs to see it. Peace.